Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Muhammad Fahim and my channel is Beam of Knowledge. Please like and subscribe my channel so you can get the forthcoming videos for about the study of academic writing. So today academic writing lecture number 1, different type of the essays we will discuss. Different type of essays. We have a picture. In this picture we will see when we are going to write the essay, what is this and how does this look like and how does this smell like, how does this taste like and how does this feel like. So there are the different type of the essays, like descriptive essay, comparative, compare and contrast, cause and effects, narrative, process, argumentative essay and analysis essay, etc. So first of all, the first one is the descriptive essay. In descriptive essay, we will see how something look like, taste like, smell like, and sound like. So you can say what something is in the descriptive essay and how something happened. In descriptive essay, uh, we use the five over sensory details like something sight, hear, smell, taste and touch. So second one is the compare and contrast essay, may discuss similarity and differences between two things or many things or place or some incident between pictures. So many things you can write the similarity and difference for about them. Like the two places here in the picture, one is the Minar-e-Pakistan or tomb or shrine of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and then comparison of two religions like a holy Bible book that revealed on Jesus and the Holy Quran that's revealed on Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. So there are the two pictures, me and my brother. In this picture, there are the different ways to write the compare and contrast. We can write like in this picture, we can see the hairs, and there is a more brightness in the right hand side of my brother pictures, and but in my picture the hair is dull, and then face expressions or skin color and then eyebrow like eyes and teeth and then he has the beard and then we can compare the dressing like I have the coat and he don't have the coat wear and then we can compare the shirts and their colors and then ties we both have the ties but they have the different colors like so then we can compare in the picture the background the different colors we have like this way we can write the descriptive compare and contrast essay for about the some pictures and similarly for about the man and woman we can compare the bones skin and thickness and fats less fatty more fatty smaller and larger like this one and that's so we can say we can write the essay for about the similarity and differences or one can take the one aspect like similarity or differences. And there is another type of the essay that is the cause and effect based essay. It may be explained like something happened like why volcano erupt and what happened afterwards and similarly what happens after a loved one's death and why or how some event happened and what results from the event. The essay is the study of the relationship between the two or more events or experiences. The essay could discuss both cause and effects, and it could simply address one or the others. Cause usually discuss the reason, why something happened, and on the other hand, the effect essay that's what's happened after a specific event, or cause make produce some effects, like a cause produce effects 1, effect 2 and effect 3, some different effects. And similarly here cause 1 and effects 2 and effects 3, and similarly some causes that may cause the effects, different effects. So here we can see the events that's usually that's the result of some cause. Events will happen, and after the events some effects will be produced from that events. So this is the way for writing the cause and effects. So the third one is the narrative. This one is the narrative essay. In narrative essay is just like some story telling, tells a story, and then conversation in all style, personal experience. First person we use in this, like someone telling the story, they will tell I or we go there and do this and did this and that, and I go there, I went to this, I experienced this and that one. So this will be the like the narrative essays. A single event or simply a mundane daily experience one can write in the form in narrative essays. And there are some examples like my brothers and my cycling experience, a boring trip to the mountains, my dear my near death experience at the swimming process essay. From the name we can see very we can understand it will tell about the something, some process in the steps, like growing a plant. You prepare just and some add some soil in it, then add some seed in it, give some water, and after some days the plant will grow. Like this is the properly how properly you can grow the plant. This is the process. Similarly, learning the computer step by step, this is also the process way. Process essay can describe how something is done and explain action should be performed in a series or in steps. How to accomplish a specific task, and essay could be in the form of step-by-step instructions or in the form of the story with the instructions or explanation given in the way. So if we combine like this one, so we start for about writing the some process essay, then have need to write the step 1, then step 2, and then step 3, like many steps, and then we can finish the process essay. Argumentative essay, from the name we need to one need to write the argument. Like argumentative essay pursued or convince the writer that something is better than the others, like he or she should use public transport instead of driving a personal car. Cats are better pets than dogs. Why you should use the public transportations? There are some reasons. In public transportation, better for the environment, it's very convenient, and decrease traffic and save gasoline or petroleum products, and less air pollution. It is faster and save money, reduce stress. Then analysis essay, it may analyze something like how Faz Ahmad Faz poem present his life experience, how Shakespeare present his character Othello, strength and weakness of the movie Khuda ke liye. Like uh, for example, if someone need to write the essay for about the inner body effects of the smoking, so there are the different effects, like coughing, and then shortage of the breath, heart disease effects, and lungs disease effects, cancer, and dizziness. These are some effects. So in this way one can write the essay for about the inner body effects of the smoking. Uh, Know how to analyze some essay, analysis of the essay, analyze the strength, weakness, and method of someone else's work. An analysis essay can be written analyzing an essay, story, books, poem, movie, or art. Generally, these essays begin with a brief of the overview of the main point of the text, movie, piece of arts, followed by the detailed analysis of the work. It should be then discuss how well the authors or artist has accomplished the goals. Here we have an example like here over the past few decades, Shaukat Khan Memorial Cancer Hospital and Research Center has established itself as a center of excellence, providing experience. State-of-the-art hospital located in the heart of the Punjab was founded by Imran Khan, one of the Pakistan most illustration character. As a charitable institute, it is funded permanently from the donation of the friends as well as well-wishers from around the country and across the world. I have worked in the hospital for many years. It is a big hospital that provides every kind of services 24 hours a day. There are two purposes why this hospital is built. One is to help people who are suffering from the terminal disease cancer, and second to create a sense of philanthropy among people. It has been voted as one of the most popular hospitals because of its state-of-the-art facilities, beautiful building, and eye-catching gardens. All workers, including doctors, nurses, administrators, are very kind, help patients and their families. They not only treat patients' health but counsel and teach them important things about their problem. This is the best hospital that I ever have been a part of. Here we are like big families. All of the members are like brother and sisters. They always help each other. I'm very glad I work in this good environment. So in this essay, we need to differentiate its different parts, which parts representing which one. So in the first part, this is the overview. In the sentence we can say, over the past decade, Shaukat Khanum Memorial Cancer Hospital and Research Center has established itself as a center of excellence, providing comprehensive care free of cost to thousands of cancer patients. The pioneering state-of-the-art hospital located in the heart of the Punjab was founded by Imran Khan, one of the Pakistan most illustrious character. This is the overview of the essay or the main point in the text or piece of the art. And then in the second paragraph, the writer will give the detailed for about this hospital. Here you can see as a charitable institute, it is founded predominantly from the donation of the friends and well-wishers around the world, around the country and across the world. I have worked in this hospital for many years. It is a big hospital that provide every kind of service 24 hours a day. There are two purposes why this hospital is built. One is to help who are suffering from the terminal disease cancer, and second to create a sense of philanthropy among the people. It has been voted as one of the most popular hospital because of its state of art facilities, beautiful building, and eye-catching garden. All workers, including doctor, nurses, administrator, are very kind and helpful. So in this paragraph, this is the detailed analysis for about the hospitals. uh, so this is the second part. Means first is the overview in the first paragraph. In the second paragraph, this is the detailed for about the hospital. And the third is the accomplished goal, how it's work and how does it completed its task. This is the in the final paragraph. This is the best hospital that I ever ever been part of. Here we are like a big family. All members are like brother and sister. They always help each other. I'm very glad I work in this good environment. This is the accomplishing the goals here. So author is closing for about the essay. So in this way we can analyze any essay. uh, Your teacher maybe give you some assign for about the topic or ask you to choose among of the topic. Suppose your teacher has asked you to write an essay uh, uh, that has one of these words. You may find some key words from the teacher give you the topic. Then you can assess or can understand what kind of the essay it will. Like if there will be the words like analyze, there could be the word argue, and then cause and effects for something, and compare and contrast, and then classify this and that, and discuss, describe, and summarize, etc. From such kind of the words you can get the guess for about what kind of the essay you need to be write. So if you are asked to write an essay that require orgo, you have to give the reason for or against. Be sure to give substantial argument for the detailed or support of your point. This is, and then if your essay topic have the keyword compare and contrast, you are asked to compare or show the similarity and contrast to show the differences. If your essay asks the word describe, you have to write about the subject in detail. Keep in mind you need to write the detailed often so that the writer get a clear mental pictures or image that of what you are describing. If your essay topic have the keyword discuss, you have to write about the subject in detail, giving reasons and examples. If your essay topic containing the word or having the word summarize, state the main ideas briefly, leaving out the specific example. You don't need to write too many example in it. So in our next video, we shall discuss about the formal and informal writing style for about the essays or the others writing styles. So thank you for your attention, and please like and subscribe my channel Beam of Knowledge, so you can get the forthcoming videos and you get the notification for about them. Keep in contact, and I hope upload you the next video very soon. Allah Hafiz.